So Breakthrough is a program that's been around for 40 years here at Caron. We're a program that really helps people get unstuck from issues that they may have internally with themselves or with external relationships. We use a variety of methods to facilitate our work here, and it includes psychodrama, art therapy, something that's called internal family systems, and somatic awareness. The internal family systems portion is a device that allows people to look at different parts of themselves, maybe an angry part, maybe a sad part, maybe a hyperactive part, with grace and dignity and ability to see all of those components. Because we use experiential therapies, it activates different parts of the brain, the cognitive part, the emotional part, and the behavioral part. We do it in a method, all of our work is done in group. We feel like if there are relationship issues, they likely occurred in some form of a group, family of origin, current family systems. And so the healing comes from being able to be vulnerable within that group and have people play those members of the family or the internal parts of oneself that have been damaged or exiled due to the conflicts that happen.